What's up everybody, welcome back to Lord of the Coins, where I objectively give you my analysis based on price action. So in this video, we'll be going over a higher time frame outlook, a lower time frame outlook, and really how to enter trades in this chop on XRP and avoid getting wrecked. So those will be the main topics of this video, and if you guys don't mind, I would really appreciate if you guys could drop me a like. I put a lot of effort into these charts for you guys, and it's just really sincerely bring you guys the best analysis possible. So thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get started here on XRP. If you guys saw my last few videos, I did talk about how Bitcoin dominance is just ranging, and we've hit range lows, and we're going back up here, and until we see some sort of reversal back down, it could be in this midpoint or right after this high, or just at this top here. But until we see some sort of reversal, I will definitely not be taking long trades on any altcoins unless it's Ethereum. Ethereum is probably the only exception for me. So yeah, it's not, when Bitcoin dominance is going up, it's just not smart to take long trades on altcoins. But taking long trades on Bitcoin is favorable, and currently this is what we're looking at in our private trading community for Bitcoin. And I did also mention this we're looking at this in a private trading community. But yeah, I did mention this in my last Bitcoin video as well. So if you guys haven't checked that out, I definitely would go and do that. But for XRP, I just want to give a quick higher time frame outlook. We've just hit the bottom of our range, which is this white line. And we've had a retap into this daily order block, which is this green box. So ideally, this is not a bad time to take a long trade. You can take a long trade here on this range deviation, set your stop below these equal lows or underneath this order block, and take profits anywhere here in the premium zone. That's definitely a valid trade. But personally, I will not take this trade just for the reasons I mentioned before. So we'll actually go to a lower time frame here, and we'll talk about a few things. So I do want to be looking for a short trade into XRP. And ideally, anytime you want to take a short trade when you're inside a range, you want to be inside the premium zone, which is anywhere inside this. So we technically do have a reversal here. A confirmation of reversal on the 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and 4 hour, I believe. Yeah, and on the 4 hour. I'll show you guys what I mean. So on the 1 hour here, this is our sweep. So pretty much what this means is that I denote it by X on most of my charts. Let me put that towards the center. So pretty much what that means is that a lot of people went long here. We tapped into this order block, and we swept out all the liquidity here. So a lot of people would have thought, okay, this is the bottom, right? And you set your stop loss right underneath swing low, which is right here, and you wait for a reversal. That is what retail is taught to do. But what market makers will do is that since there's such a big liquidity buildup right here and right here, they just keep sweeping out your liquidity. So usually it's not smart to go long until you have a confirmation of bullish order flow. And this is how you find bullish order flow. You wait for the sweep of market makers, and then you wait for the change of character, which exists right here. So you take the last high here, and if that gets broken by a candle close, which I did right here, and it has to be a candle close. That's very, very important. And once you have this break right here, what happens is that you generate a zone of demand, which exists right here like this, from the change of character all the way down to this swing low. And then I'm gonna make this green since it is bullish. And then once you get a retap into this zone of demand, which is this price action right here, although it's looking kind of weak, it kind of looks like a bear flag at the moment, it is a retap into zone of demand, which is bullish, and this is confirmation of bullish order flow. Now we can see price come up and hopefully reclaim this level right here, which is a pretty key level on the daily. On top of that, it is relatively equal highs, so there are probably a good amount of liquidity that exists right here that smart money wants. So price is likely headed up here to sweep out this liquidity, and if we can get a daily candle close above this level, or even a 4 hour candle close, Actually, hold on, let me check. Let me make sure for you guys. So yeah, we actually want a daily candle close. So if we get a daily candle close above this level, we are looking actually fairly bullish for XRP. And there's a lot of relative equal highs right here, a lot of weak highs right here. And those are all really good targets for price to go to, which are relative equal highs right here, and then weak highs right here. So there are a lot of targets up here. So definitely we can see price action come up here. There's also a fair value gap that exists right here, which is just a imbalance in price action. Just leftover liquidity is kind of the short way to explain it. And yeah, we can probably see XRP, if we do see some moves up, it'll move up in chunks. So there's a gap in volume right here, gap in volume, gap in volume. So we can definitely see XRP move like this, you know, reclaim this area, maybe get a daily candle close, move up, sweep out all the liquidity, you know, get caught on this volume node right here. And hopefully if we find support here, we'll come up to this monthly VWAP, and it's also the previous week VWAP, and we'll also be clearing out this fair value gap and hitting this 4-hour order block right here. If we also take the fib from the swing high to the swing low, we'll also be going towards this golden pocket from this swing high to this swing low. So this would be probably the area I'd be looking for some sort of reversal and a short trade. You know, we definitely could be ranging here for a lot longer, and there's even a chance that we break down here to the downside. If we go down to the daily, you know, this is a area I've been talking about. I believe I talked about this in my last Bitcoin video. And you know, with this recent kind of dump in this price action, I think it's pretty clear to see some sort of head and shoulders pattern forming out as well. And usually the take profits on a head and shoulders pattern is the same length of one of the heads or one of the shoulders. So if that's one of your shoulders, you know, this will be like your take profits. We'll be kind of going past this order block, so possibly into one of these lower order blocks down here. So let me mark that out here actually. But there are a lot of relatively equal lows here, so I would be a little careful going long here. But I will mark it out for you guys here, just like this. Yeah, that kind of works out perfectly. So, you know, that's some confluence here. We can always check out volume nodes as well. And yeah, we do have a good amount of volume in this area, so it's definitely possible that we get caught here. So yeah, I would definitely be a little wary of going long right now. There's just, it's kind of the 50-50 in my opinion. So I would be more favoring short trades, and I'd be favoring short trades in this area, as I believe there's a lot of confluence for price to actually come back up here before a larger move down, just because of all the liquidity left up here. So I don't want to make this video too long. I just want to go over a very, very quick analysis for you guys. Just to kind of sum it up, on the higher time frame, you know, looking fairly bearish. On the lower time frame, looking slightly bullish here. We do have bullish order flow, and you know, this is an area I'd be looking for a longer term short. So if I were to set up a trade here, I definitely would set up some sort of trade, probably starting from this golden pocket here, and probably stop above the swing high. And then I would absolutely DCA my position in, you know, maybe a position here, here, and you know, like here, something like that. And yeah, definitely taking my, or definitely setting my stop above this swing high right here. And then for take profits would be, you know, I would definitely take profits on sweeping out the liquidity right here, and then probably final take profits in one of these zones of demand down here. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a very, very quick outlook on XRP, as you know, the altcoin markets are doing pretty poorly. So yeah, I just wanted to get this info out to you guys as soon as possible. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much.